In this video, we will show you how to sharing files between Windows 11 and Windows 11 on VirtualBox. In here, I have guest machine using Windows 11 and my host is also Windows 11. To create file sharing is quite easy if we are using Windows and Windows. For example, in here, if we type the or creating the file, it will appear also on our host machine. Okay, this is a file we created earlier. Okay, you can see this is my host and this is my guest. If I create file in here, it will appear also in the share folder in here. Let's create new files. For example, now we can refresh this. You can see how to configure Windows 11 and Windows 11 between guest and host on VirtualBox. Okay, first you need to turn off the virtual machine. After that, open your VirtualBox and choose settings. In here, go to the shared folder and put the location. For example, I'm using a directory share in here. You can select the folder and don't forget to tick auto mount like this, and after all of this you can click OK. Okay, in here if needed you can also make this folder is sharing properties. You can share. Okay, if needed you can select share to everyone, but actually between Windows 11 and Windows 11 is you can leave it by default. Then you can open your guest OS. Okay, in here we need to install VirtualBox Quest editions. I will show you how to do that, because if we don't install the Quest edition, the sharing between this machine is impossible. Okay, to install the Quest edition is just click devices on your VirtualBox menu bar and insert Quest edition CD image. Okay, now you can open the file explorer and you will have this Quest edition. Please install with your version. For example, if you're using 64-bit, just double click or install this version. After you install the Quest edition, you may need to activate the public sharing with this network. Network, and choose sharing settings, and you can turn on like this. Okay, you can also turn on and click save change. You may also need to turn on the host if needed. Then you will have the file share like this, and if we create it in the guest machine, test number 2. Let's see on our host, it will also create it. Okay, in here. And that's all tutorial how to share file between Windows 11 and Windows 11 using VirtualBox. Hope this video helpful for you.